Namaste. Today we will be doing a guided chakra meditation. There are 72,000 nadis, chakras, energy fields in our body. All of these correspond to the basic 7 chakras in our body. These 7 chakras is what we will be working on today. Sit down. Either cross your legs and sit, or sit on a chair if it's comfortable. Lie down in bed. Whatever is comfortable. Keep your palms facing towards the ceiling. If you're lying down, if you're sitting with your legs crossed, keep your palms on your knees facing the ceiling. Relax. Close your eyes. Keep your back straight. Now breathe in deep. Fill your stomach with air. Breathe out. Release all the air. So breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through the nose. Fill your stomach like a football. Breathe out. Continue to follow your breath. Don't raise your shoulders. Just relax. If you get any thoughts, don't fight it. Don't try to stop it. Thoughts are just as human as breathing, as natural as breathing. Let it flow and focus on your breathing. The 7 chakras connect us from our earthly connections all the way to the spiritual realm. The first chakra, which is your root chakra, also called the Muladhara chakra, is located at the end of your coccyx or your tailbone. It is a bright red colored chakra. Moving higher, 2 inches below your navel or your belly button, we have the sacral chakra or your Swadhisthana chakra. This chakra is an orange colored chakra. Moving higher, where your rib cage opens or at your solar plex, we have the Manipura chakra, also a yellow colored chakra. Moving higher, at the heart, we have the Anahata chakra or the heart chakra, which is emerald green. Moving further up, at the throat, we have the Vishuddha chakra, which is light sky blue. Moving higher, between the eyebrows, we have the third eye chakra or the Ajna chakra. This chakra is navy blue in color. Moving higher, on the crown of your head is the crown chakra or the Sahasrara chakra. This is violet in color, also referred as the lotus chakra. Now relax, sit straight or lie down, whichever way. Keep your body straight. Continue focusing on your breathing. Imagine sitting below a waterfall, the water hitting you, relaxing you. Only this is not water, but the energy from the universe falling on you. Feel that energy falling all over you. Now, this energy that you're sitting under is entering your body, going straight down to your base chakra, cleansing, energizing your Muladhara chakra. The roots from the Muladhara chakra are flowing out into your legs, through your thighs, your knees, your calf, to the feet, and finally into the earth, going deep down, drawing in nutrition and energy for your body from the earth. Your Muladhara chakra is now energized and cleansed. Any ailments, blockages, aches, pains corresponding to this chakra have been cleansed, healed, and released. The Muladhara chakra is spinning with a bright red color. Moving higher, now the universal energy is flowing to your Swadhisthana chakra, which is located 2 inches below your navel, energizing it, cleansing it, recharging it. Your Swadhisthana chakra is now energized and cleansed. Any ailments, aches, pains, or blockages associated to this chakra have been cleansed, healed, and released. Energy is flowing freely all over the body. The Swadhisthana chakra is spinning with a vibrant orange. Moving higher, the universal energy is now flowing to your Manipura chakra, located at your solar plex, or where your ribcage opens. Energizing it, recharging it, cleansing it. The Manipura chakra is now cleansed and recharged. Any ailments, blockages, or aches and pains associated to this chakra have been cleansed, healed, and released. Your complete body is relaxing and energy is flowing freely all over the body. Moving higher, the universal energy is now flowing to your heart or your Anahata chakra, energizing it, cleansing it. The universal energy is emptying your heart of all negative emotions and fears like anger, rage, jealousy, revenge, and all the minor and major fears that our body has. Filling it up with lots of love, compassion, and peace. Your heart chakra or the Anahata chakra is now spinning with a shining emerald green. Moving higher, the universal energy is now flowing to your throat chakra or the Vishuddha chakra, cleansing it, energizing it. Many times we do not like to hear certain things told to us, or we wish to say certain things to people but we don't. All these communicative interactions cause blockages. The universal energy is cleansing and releasing all these blockages. Your throat chakra is completely energized and cleansed. Moving higher between your eyebrows or the Ajna chakra, also called the third eye, the universal energy is flowing through this chakra, energizing it, cleansing it. Emptying the mind of all the thoughts, the stress, the worries, so that your intuition can come out and help you or guide you further. The third eye chakra or the Ajna chakra is now cleansed and energized, spinning with a beautiful navy blue color. Moving higher, the universal energy is now flowing and energizing the crown chakra on top of your head, called the Sahasrara chakra. The Sahasrara chakra is energized, cleansed, and any blockages associated with this have been released. All your chakras are now aligned and completely energized, spinning with very vibrant and bright colors, starting from your Muladhara chakra located at the end of your tailbone, spinning with a bright red color. Moving higher 2 inches below your navel or your belly button, we have the Swadhisthana chakra spinning with a bright orange. Moving higher, at your solar plex, or just where the rib cage opens, we have the vibrant yellow Manipura chakra. Moving higher to the heart, we have the emerald green Anahata Chakra. Moving higher, the soothing light sky blue Vishuddha Chakra at the throat, the third eye that guides you and gives you intuition into your life, physically, materialistically and spiritually, is spinning with a beautiful dark blue. And finally, your Sahasrara Chakra is spinning and energized with a vibrant violet. Your whole body is vibrant, is energized and glowing with positivity. Now let's take your attention to the palms of your hand. Let's focus on the palms. You will feel a slight warm sensation or a tingling sensation on your palms if you give focus to it. Stay with the thought, focus on it. This warmth or tingling sensation in the palm is the universal energy that flows through all of us. Now let's see this energy flowing out from our hands or our palms and completely encircling our body in a big sphere of energy, protecting us, energizing us, guiding us. Stay with the thought of your whole body being covered in a big sphere of energy. Now, slowly rub your fingers together, rub your palms, place them on your eyes, slowly open your eyes. Now don't move, don't talk, just sit and relax for some time. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Please do practice it regularly. Thank you. Namaste.